Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we are going to read this story from our Mridang book of class 2, chapter 4. Let us read The Smart Monkey. One day Anju and Farida went to the market. Anju bought a bag and Farida bought a water bottle. Later they went to a shop and bought a packet of groundnuts and a bottle of juice. They felt tired. They sat on a bench under a tree to rest. There was a monkey on the branch of the tree above them. Farida and Anju did not see the monkey. They took out their food from the bag and began to eat. The monkey had a banana. He peeled the banana and ate it. Farida and Anju took out the groundnuts and started eating. They threw the packet down. Then they drank the juice and threw down the bottle. Just then, the monkey climbed down the tree with the banana peel. There was a dustbin nearby. The monkey threw the banana peel into the dustbin. Farida and Anju saw this and felt ashamed. They picked up the packet and the empty bottle and threw them into the dustbin. Sightwards. Then down, on, and with, in, them, under, nearby. New words. Shopping. Groundnuts. Branch. Peel. Dustbin. Threw. Empty. Note to the teacher. Let children know that groundnuts are also known as peanuts. Let us speak. 1. Have you seen people throwing packets or bottles in the park or on the road? Talk about it. 2. After having biscuits, what do you do with the wrapper? 3. Imagine you are sitting under a tree. What do you see on the tree? 4. Is there a dustbin in your school? Do you know where it is? Let us draw. A. Draw any three things that you use to clean your house. Let us listen. A. Close your eyes and listen to your teacher. Say the following words. Market. Man. Key. Monkey. Packet. Dust. Bin. Dustbin. Class. Room. Classroom. Anju. Ba. Na. Banana. Fa. Ri. Da. Farida. Say your name. Clapping for each syllable of the name. How many times did you clap? Let us write. A. Read the following sentences. Put a tick for correct sentences and a cross for incorrect sentences. 1. Anju and Farida went to their school. Blank. 2.
2.
Anju bought a bag.
Anju bought a bag.
And Farida bought a water bottle.
And Farida bought a water bottle.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
There was a bird
There was a bird
on the branch of the tree.
on the branch of the tree.
Blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
The monkey had a banana.
The monkey had a banana.
Blank.
Blank.
5.
5.
The monkey threw the banana peel
The monkey threw the banana peel
in the dustbin.
in the dustbin.
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
Complete the following sentences.
Complete the following sentences.
1.
1.
Farida and Anju
Farida and Anju
sat on blank
sat on blank
under a tree to rest.
under the tree to rest.
2.
2.
There was a monkey
There was a monkey
sitting blank of the tree.
sitting blank of the tree.
3.
3.
The two girls
The two girls
had a blank
had a blank
and a bottle of juice.
and a bottle of juice.
4.
4.
The monkey threw the blank
The monkey threw the blank
into blank.
into blank.
C.
C.
Write some of the things
Write some of the things
you do
you do
to keep your home and classroom clean.
to keep your home and classroom clean.
Blank.
Blank.
Let us do.
Let us do
Project work.
project work.
A.
A.
Have you ever gone
Have you ever gone
to a nearby shop
to a nearby shop
with your family members?
with your family members?
Share your experiences
Share your experiences
in the class.
in the class.
You may also draw
You may also draw
or paste pictures
or paste pictures
of some of the things
of some of the things
you liked in the shop
you like in the shop
in the box given below.
in the box given below.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Encourage children to share
Encourage children to share
their experiences in English.
their experiences in English.
They may use few words
They may use few words
in their mother tongue
in their mother tongue
and later move to speaking
and later move to speaking
completely in English.
completely in English.
Encourage children to share
Encourage children to share
what they like
what they like
and what they do not like
and what they do not like
during shopping.
during shopping.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
Look at the pictures.
Look at the pictures.
Read the words
Read the words
below each picture.
below each picture.
FL,
Apple,
flag,
flag,
flower,
flower,
floor,
floor,
CL,
seal,
cloud,
cloud,
clap,
clap,
clock.
clock.
Write sentences
Write sentences
using the above words.
using the above words.
One has been done for you.
What has been done for you?
There is a clock
There is a clock
in the classroom.
in the classroom.
Blank.
Blank.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Ensure that
Ensure that
children say the blends correctly.
children say the blanks correctly.
Provide regular exercise
Provide regular exercise
of the above blends.
of the above blanks.